Introducing an update to one of our best-selling hardwood collections, Normandy Oak. This popular pattern, which is part of our Maison collection, is getting 2 fresh new colors, Brandy and Brioche, which are beautiful additions to the 2 original colors, Bistro and Brulee. Normandy Oak comes in a 7-inch wide plank with extra long lengths up to 7 feet, and is a refined, rustic, white oak visual inspired by reclaimed and repurposed wood. Normandy Oak fits into many home interior styles, including Scandinavian Nordic and Bohemian. When Scandinavian Nordic elements are used, like simple silhouettes, natural materials, and a neutral color palette, Normandy Oak becomes the perfect complement. With subtle wire brushing, distressing, and hand-applied stains, Normandy Oak will add a sense of beauty and craftsmanship to any space. Mannington. Begin to imagine.